So now let's see how we can add in Jitsy Meet links to events inside of Google Calendar. So to add in Jitsy Meet links, I'm going to go around over here onto the settings menu, and then I'm going to go around to get add-ons. So once I do that, you got the Google Marketplace for add-ons opened up right here. And here you can see Jitsy Meet for Google Calendar is an option. So I'm going to click over here, and then I'm going to install this out. So I'm going to click on continue, and then what happens is that it opens up the dialog box where I have to verify my account right here. So I'm just going to go around and allow it right here. And then what happens is that Jitsy Meet add-on has been added onto my Google Calendar. So if I were to go around onto an event right here, then you can see that right now there's Google Meet, and now from the add-on there's Jitsy Meet here and Zoom Meeting as well, because I had installed Zoom Meeting as well. So if I want Jitsy Meet, I can add in Jitsy Meet right here, and then you got the Jitsy Meet joining options right here, just like this. It has created a link, and instead of Google Meet, you can also use Jitsy Meet just like this. And that is how, I'm just going to discard this in my case, and that is how you can add Jitsy Meet links to events inside of Google Calendar. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.